Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Today, I'm going to be talking about what you should do if you think your reads suck. All right, let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm going to lay out a 3-step plan that you need to do if you are doing voiceover and you think that your voiceover reads aren't up to par. Okay? The first step that you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. Now, I love to do this. It works like a charm. Go to YouTube, type in something like 3M explainer video. Okay? And so you're going to type in a company name and type in the genre of which you'd like to view a video or a voiceover, right? So in this particular case, I'm doing explainer. You could type in trailers. You could type in commercial demos even. You could type in commercials. You could type in video games. You could type in all sorts of stuff. All right, but type a company, type in the genre in which you're trying to get better at in voiceover. Once that comes up, watch the video. Listen to the voiceover. Okay, listen to the voiceover. Now, all YouTube videos, well, I would say the majority of them, they usually click on the bottom right-hand corner, there's 3 dots from the video. And if you click on those dots, like 99.9% of the time, there is what's called a transcribe button. And most companies turn this on so that you can actually see the script transcribed. All right, you click that, it comes up on the side of the screen, and it actually goes along with the video as it's playing. So the second part of this is once you find these voiceovers, right, and videos like on YouTube, all right, listen to a whole bunch of them. Now the second part is you're going to start practicing. Start practicing recording voiceovers from these videos, practicing, recording them on your DAW, trying to make them sound similar, trying to make them... So imitation is a part of voiceover. Okay, it's a part of acting. Remember, not impersonation, even though that is a part, but imitation. We are imitating sensitivity. We are imitating emotion. We are imitating feelings, expression. All right, so being able, the better of an imitator you are, the better at voice acting or acting in general you're going to be. Okay, so this is why going on and seeing, listening to these videos, watching these videos, and then getting the transcriptions, practicing. So step 2, you're practicing these voiceovers. You're getting on your DAW, you're practicing, you're recording over and over and over again. You're going through different genres. You're recording over and over and over again. Okay, another wonderful way to do is while you're listening, get that in your headphones, listen to the music, all right, if you can, or put on some music. Okay, here's a perfect example. Go back to YouTube. Once you've gone to these videos, take this transcription. You can literally copy the transcription and paste it onto a document and go onto YouTube and then type in explainer background music, like if you're doing the explainer video, or epic trailer music, or any type of genre type of music, you can type that in. Press play, listen to it in your headphones, and try to narrate. Okay, try to do the voiceover, feeling with the music. This will allow you to get better at storytelling, which is the name of the game. Whether it's a couple of words if you're doing like a trailer or promo, or whether it's a longer form narration, even like an audiobook, okay, or just commercial work in general. This seriously can help you using music to tell a story, and listening to it, being able to go with the beats and the rhythm. It's really helpful. It's actually amazing. And if you listen back after you do that, just to the voiceover itself, because you're recording this, remember, you're practicing, it's going to really set you apart. Then what you do, okay, is we're still on step 2 though. You're going to listen to these people that you listen to first, and then you're going to listen to your work, and you're going to start to make some comparisons. Ask yourself, hey, do I sound like these people? Does it sound good, right? The third thing I want you to do after that is once you do that, I want you to find someone, whether it's a coach, whether it's a producer, someone who has a lot of experience, who's worked with a lot of voice actors, who, can give you good advice on whether or not they think that your reads are good. Okay? And a wonderful thing to do is bring a before and after. Bring a before and after. Now, remember, this business, just like any other acting business, performance business, is subjective. But you're still going to get a general, you're going to be able to see if someone has, what it takes. They understand the rules, meaning like they get that every genre still has unspoken rules. They get how to deliver a script, how to tell a story, how to put in little nuances, okay, with expression, etc., and understand the specific genre they're working with. It really helps to work with somebody. Find a coach. Like I do things like I do. I help people with this, but so do so many other coaches as well. But you find a coach, you find an engineer, you find a producer, you find a talent agent, someone who works with a lot of voice actors, who've worked with a lot of audio, who could tell you what to do. Once you do those 3 steps, you just repeat over and over again. Okay, it's key. It's vital. Repeat over and over again, and you will get better. Begin to audition. Audition. Put out samples on social media. Just putting it out. Keep going. Get better and better and better. All right. And at this point, your reads aren't going to suck anymore. Okay? All right, listen, thank you guys for watching. I was trying to be straight to the point on this video for you. Please take a moment to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Happy holiday coming up. We've got Easter weekend, and also remember Fiverr Friday is tomorrow, so I'm excited. We'll be live at 1 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you show up there because we have questions and answers. It's just really a great session, so I will see you then. Remember, subscribe, like, leave comments if you have any questions about this and you'd like me to answer more. Please go ahead, comment below. Would love to have it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Thursday. Goodbye.